So how to fix Chai bot not responding? As you can see here, I just wrote the message and the Chai bot is just basically not responding. So I just see it loading, and then it uh, just takes too much time. So as you can see, it almost takes like 30 seconds or something. So yep. So as of just right now, as of this video, like there is this error on Chai. So they just say this like our bots may currently have some issues due to one of our providers having an outage. Please bear with us as we work to fix this issue. So they just good that they notified you. Seems they just really have some issue with our provider. So the one thing you have to do is just wait, or you can try still to chat, but it will take like, that's what you see here. It will take 30 like 1 minute for the message to generate. Maybe you can also try get premium, where you have unlimited message, unlimited posts, no ads. But in this specific case, I'm not sure this will actually fix that, because this is just some technical bug, and maybe it's the premium subscription will fix that, maybe not. So that's just what it is. And usually these kind of bugs happen during the weekend when there is huge traffic in these AI chat bots. So usually during the weekdays you have much less bugs like that. So just let's see if this issue is fixed during one day or it's available during the week.